Good afternoon and welcome to St Margaret's Nurseries. Today I'm going to show you how to make the wreath. I have a 10-inch wreath ring and the binding wire. So the first thing is to tie the binding wire around the wreath so it doesn't come apart. And then with the end, just dig that into the mossed ring, like so. Now, I've got some fur. I'm left-handed, so I tend to place it this way round. But if you were right-handed, you would go that way. You do whatever's most comfortable for yourselves. So you grab a few pieces. I have trimmed these so they're better. If they're a bit tatty on the ends, you can cut them off. And again, you don't have to use fur. You can use fur, there's so many different things you can use in your garden. Take a wander in your garden, see what there is. Most things will be absolutely fine. Place a few pieces onto your wreath. Then take your wire and just place it round like so. And then your next pieces go over your wire, so all the time you're hiding the wire and you're hiding the end stalks, like so. And as you can see, you're starting to see the full effect, the wreath shapes coming together like that. So it's getting a nice shape as we go round. So that's how you start your wreath. And now I'm going to show you how to finish your wreath. So basically what I've done there, I've done exactly the same here. Just move that out of the way. Like that. So now I'm just going to continue round like so. There is a wrong way and a correct way to put the fur down. You can see that that's the back. It's the back. It's quite noticeable. So just make sure you pop it round the right way. And on your last pieces, tuck it under where you started, so you're hiding all the stalks, like that. Keep going. The more you put on, the fuller it will look. That's it. And then at the end, it doesn't matter if you've got your wire here, because you can put a bow or something to hide it. And then turn the wreath over, just wrap it round once more, and then cut it like that. And then just go through the other wire, twist it round, dig it into the mossed ring, and there you have one nicely shaped. You can always play with it at the end. Right, so now we've come to the decorating. So I have a bow. They're a bit fiddly, but if you're slow, it's quite clever. And there you have your bow. And you just place the bow so that's hiding the wire as well. like that. And then we cut half of the dangly bits off, and just to make it look pretty we just curl the ends like that. You could always use these pieces to make a hook at the top if you need one for your front door. Right, I've got Ogmanthus, which always looks pretty. It's not prickly, so it's quite nice to use. But you can use holly. One of the ladies that works here, she used hydrangea flowers, which looked really pretty. And you just place them round your wreath, sort of try to put it under the wire. If you've got a glue gun at home, you can always pop it in with a bit of glue, but for health and safety reasons I can't do that. So work your way round like that. Okay, so that's that on. I have a sparkly poinsettia, which I'm just going to cut down a little bit and pop that in the top to like that. And then I'm going to pop some gold cones because I'm going with a gold theme. These also help keep the greenery, your holly or whatever, in like that. Okay, and then I've got some cinnamon sticks which I'm going to place in between. You can angle them so rather than straight it looks a bit nicer, I always think. And then I have some lovely berries, because you can't always get berries out when you're out and about, but these are fake and they look just as good. And we tend to just wrap them round the cone. I think it looks quite pretty. So just wrap them, oops, like so. There. I think that is it. So that's my wreath there. Again, you can put whatever you want. I've gone for a gold theme and natural. And to top it off at the end, we do sell lights, 24 time lights, which you can wrap round, just literally go all the way round with them. We've got warm white, or the mixed colours. They're on for 8 hours a day. They switch themselves off, and I think that looks really nice just to finish it off. So I hope you have fun making yours, and thank you for watching, and good luck. Bye bye.